Hi, for a long time in my life, I used to believe that innovation, problem solving can be done only by big corporates, where big teams of highly qualified people work. And all big companies highlight it. There are articles and books about it. But my last few years of closely working with micro, small, and medium enterprises in India has changed my belief completely. I have seen that no matter what the challenge and complexity a small business may face, they have been able to not only survive, but find an innovative way to overcome the challenge and grow. And as a result, the 6 crore diverse MSMEs in India are a major contributor to socio-economic development of our country. Tally Solutions, a pioneer in software product industry, has been delivering business solutions uh, for over 3 decades and has become the default business software name among the SMBs, small and medium businesses in India. One of the primary contributor to Tally Solutions' success has been working and learning from our MSME businesses. And hence, on the occasion of International MSME Day 2021, Tally decided to launch MSME Honors to recognize these MSME heroes and heroines of India. Right? Good morning and a warm welcome to the inaugural award ceremony of South India edition of MSME Honors, organized by Tally Solution in association with FKCCI, Federation of Karnataka Chambers of Commerce and Industry, and Danik Bhaskar, India's leading news group. I, Bhuvan Ranjan, business head South India at Tally, would like to thank all the entrepreneurs, FKCCI members, industry stalwarts, media houses, and everyone else in the audience for gracing this occasion. I would like to specially acknowledge and thank our special guest today, Mr. Pankaj Kumar Pandey, Honorable Principal Secretary of MSME, Mining and Textiles in the Government of Karnataka, Mr. Perikal M. Sundar, President FKCCI, CA and Dr. I.S. Prasad, Senior Vice President FKCCI, and Mr. B.V. Gopal Reddy, Vice President FKCCI. Thank you, sir, for joining us as chief guest. Since Tally announced the MSME honors among its 20 plus lakh customers and all the other MSME businesses, we have received hundreds of nominations, and it was an extremely difficult task to select the winners. But without further ado, let's get inspired by the inspirational journey of these MSMEs who have disrupted the ecosystem with their innovative thinking and scalable business solutions. How they have changed the lives of their employees and customers and build a connected community while driving economy at scale.
Heroes, they say, are hard to find. But we see them in a smile that says everything is fine, in winds that bring joy, in a confident sigh, when words can't define what a hero looks like. Hope in their eyes, grit in their palms. Heroes you'll find hidden in these signs. When words can't define what a hero looks like. Chasing every dream, taking paths unseen. You'll see a hero, a friend, fighting all odds, rising above. Their love will remember. Their names in our hearts. In good times and bad, as our heroes, always. Every business that takes on challenges and whose hard work propels the nation and society forward are and shall remain heroes always. And Tally salutes these heroes on the occasion of International MSME Day.
Very nice. And every time I see this video, it's new for me and I just get inspired. Request FKCCI President Mr. Perikal M. Sundar to please come and share his views.
Yeah, good morning. Shri Pankaj Kumar Pandey, IAS, Principal Secretary, MSME, Mines, Textile and Tourism. Shri Bhuvan Rajan, Zonal Lead, South Tally Solution Private Limited, CA Dr. I.S. Prasad, Senior Vice President FKCI, Shri B.V. Gopal Reddy, Vice President FKCI, participant delegates in the virtual mode, and ladies and gentlemen, good morning to all. It gives me a great pleasure to participate in the celebrating of International MSME Day in the association with the Tally Solution Private Limited. International MSME Day is observed on June 27th every year across the world. This is the fourth edition. It is instituted by United Nations General Assembly through the resolution of recognize the need to improve MSME, increase their access to finance, innovation, other support, including the new avenue for the market, improve their businesses. MSME contribute 15% to GDP, 35% to national export, provided employment to tune of 75%, and thus it is important sector for the economic growth of the country. Government of India and state government has been announcing a number of policies regularly, providing incentives, subsidies, lending support, marketing assistance and infrastructure support. There is a need to create a proper awareness to all such facility on the regular basis. A lot of steps to taken to improve ease of doing business, and the reforms are introduced to easy business purchase and agriculture land in the principal approval from the local bodies, etc. However, MSME facing a lot of difficulty to day-to-day operations. Timely financial support from financial institute, banks and government would help to the MSME survive and prosper. The problems faced by the MSME of lack of availability of proper infrastructure, increase the cost of the raw materials, including the petrol and diesel, power, lack of availability of skilled laborers, credit support are the some of the key issues are the faced on the day-to-day basis. MSME depend upon the large industry, timely payment for the supply of the equipments, component, etc. The delay in the payment of adversely affected the cash flow of the MSME. The public sector government department should ensure that the quick payments to the MSME. Government should give the direction to all the industries for the immediate payment to the MSMEs. The recent COVID pandemic and the continuous lockdowns have been caused tremendous loss to the MSME sector, which they need to be recovery. On this occasion, International MSME Day, FKC strongly recommend to government should come forward with the special package to the MSME sector, mitigating the loss of due to COVID-19 pandemic. FKCCI always ready to take up the cause of MSME with the state government and central government wherever is the need. FKC regularly organizing the heads of the Department of State Government, banks, state finance corporations, local bodies and other service providers like power supply, water supply, taxation matters, policy matters. I request MSME entrepreneurs to take touch with our office to any grievances. We have instituted award of excellence in the innovation export, recognizing the felicitate with the MSME entrepreneurs every year. I request you to all the participants to exhibit their talent. Manthan is a flagship event identifying the new adventure of innovation, research and development by the students, engineering, management and other technical course, which happens every year. The great occasion participate make a show to your existing businesses. But I call upon entrepreneurs to MSME sector rise to their occasion to face challenges, improve their performance, finding a innovation to try to reduce manufacture cost that their selling prices very competitive even in the international market. Once again, I congratulate all the participants to thanks organizing to Tally Solutions for giving opportunity to part of this today function. Thank you, one and also. Over to Bhuvan Rajan.
Thank you, Mr. Periel. I would request Pramit to start with the proceedings.
Now, Bhuvan, just to stop you here, I have to go for a meeting on the SCP TSP scheme of Government of Karnataka. CM, Honorable CM is chairing that meeting, and I will be fighting for your issue only there, MSME. So my best wishes to all of you on this day. I have with me my director MSME, Ms. Vinod Priya, IS, and she will be there with you, and she will take over from me. I'll just like to congratulate and wish all of you the best, because these have been very trying times, and Government of Karnataka is there with you always, and we have given a lot of concessions, all of you know very well, and we'll continue doing that in spite of being a great generator for employment and the local economy. Many times it is overshadowed by the big brother of large scale industries. So we need to fight for the rights of the MSME. We'll take it up and we'll always there with you.
I would now request CA Dr. I.S. Prasad, sir, if you can kindly share a few words on this momentous occasion.
A very good morning to all of you. Mr. C. Bhuvan Ranjan, Zonal Head, Tally Solutions, Vinita Priya Madam, Director, MSME, and all the participants and my President Perikal Sundar. It's really delighted and very pleasant to join this program on International MSME Day. I would like to bring that already my President has briefed about how MSME has been in the growth of economy and the growth of employment. I would like to bring the participants here today that Honorable Prime Minister of Finance Minister of Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has brought a lot of packages for support of MSME, this Atmanirbhar scheme. Again, recently 4 days back, they brought out 1,50,000 crores for trade guarantee scheme, focusing on health sector and microfinance, and a lot of needs to done. As per survey report, almost 57% of MSME has been under dying condition. Vinita Priya Madam is here. I would like to urge upon to bring a Karnataka state procurement policy in line with other states where the MSME in Karnataka can get benefit. At this juncture, I would like to reiterate that the Karnataka government has been promising to support MSME at this COVID second wave. I think we need a lot of support from both government, and Tally has been doing a great job in organizing this program. And I wish the participants the best of International MSME Day, and we at FKCC always available at your service to encourage and empower, and again to see that what are the best efforts put in for facilitation of government policies to make sure that MSME will survive, MSME will contribute, and again MSME will create employment, be it in exports and domestic. I think wish the deliberations and International MSME Day a great success, and best wishes from FKCCI, office bearers and MC members. Thank you.
I would like to just take this opportunity once again to thank each and every one of you who have joined here today. Shri Pankaj Kumar Pandey for sparing time to talk to us. Mr. Perikal and Sundar for sharing those lovely, inspiring words to us. Dr. I.S. Prasad, And of course, Mr. Bhuvan Ranjan, Zonal Head South, Tally Solutions, for setting the right context for this particular occasion. While we are at it, ladies and gentlemen, we would also like to hear a few words from our Managing Director, Mr. Tejas Goenka. So we'll be just playing a small video message on his behalf for all of you.
Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us for our very first MSME Honors. We have been serving the MSME community for the last 35 years and have learned so much from you all, and for this, we can't thank you enough. With the MSME Honors, we want to recognize and celebrate the immense contributions that all micro, small, and medium businesses have been making to the economy and society at large. These honors have been built on a simple set of principles. The MSME community is large and diverse, and we must recognize its diversity. And that we have role models who can really share their experiences with us to help us in our own journeys. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you all for the tremendous response that we have seen, and of course, thank our esteemed jury. I look forward to interacting with our awardees and learning from them. Congratulations to all of you.
Thanks, Mr. Tejas Goenka, for sharing those inspiring words for all of us. Ellarigu swagata, andiriki swagatam, ellavarkum swagatam, ellarkum vanakkam. Welcome to one and all to the South Zone edition of the first ever MSME Honors by Tally. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to step into that part of the program that each and every one of you have been waiting with bated breath, the MSME Honor announcements. But before we move ahead, we would like to take this opportunity to thank our esteemed jury from the bottom of our hearts. Going through more than 700 nominations from across the country is no mean task, and they have done a stupendous job, what I'm sure was an extremely difficult task. So let's have a round of virtual applause for Mr. B.C. Bhartia, National President of CAIT, CA Atul Gupta, immediate past President of ICAI, and Mr. Pulak Bajpai, a Deputy Editor and Head of the Business Section at DainikBhaskar.com. Thanks to each and every one of you from the bottom of our hearts. And that brings us to the start of the recognition segment, and we will be starting today's proceedings with the Business Veteran Awards. There are entrepreneurs who are in the business playing the short-term game. And then there are those who have always visualized their business to be a going concern. They started with humble beginnings, and through their hard work, passion, dedication, patience, and perseverance, they have been able to grow their business manifold. Through the ever-evolving business landscape, ups and downs, they have been resilient and made sure that their business stood the test of time. The Business Veteran honors and recognizes such businesses who built strong and sustainable foundations to continuously thrive and grow. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look at the MSMEs that we are recognizing under this category. To start with, incorporated in 1999, this MSME from Chennai started with recruitment services, but expanded into contract staffing and outbound training services based out of their sprawling 5-acre campus at Chennai. Their phenomenal 200x growth since inception has helped them sustain during these testing times. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for ICO Systems Private Limited. Many congratulations to Mr. Santiago, and we have a small video message, audio message from him as well. Let's hear that.
Hi, good morning. On this day of MSME, we thank Tally team to honor ISCO Systems Private Limited Chennai as business veteran for growing our business from zero to where we are. Thanks from all our ISCO team Chennai. Thank you.
Many congratulations to Mr. Jasraj and your amazing team at ICO. With a legacy of 6 decades, This MSME from Coimbatore has been a leader in the agricultural pumps and motors manufacturing space with more than 350% increase in turnover in the past 40 years. Not to mention its ever increasing base of customers who vouch for their quality and for their trustworthiness. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mahindra Pumps Private Limited. Congratulations to Mr. Ramdas and his team. For a quarter of a century, this MSME, which was the first to start distribution and wholesale of hand and power tools in North Karnataka, is a pioneer in its segment. With a 20% growth year on year, with more than 800 sub-dealers, this brand from Hubli is a force to reckon with across the country. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for AB Agencies. We have a small audio snippet from Mr. Akshay Shah.
Hello, distinguished guest and other participants in the meeting. I am Akshay Shah from AB Agencies, Hubli, Karnataka. I have been serving North Karnataka from past 25 years in tools and hardware business. I am very happy to receive this MSME honors in business category. I thank Federation of Karnataka Chamber of Commerce and Industries and Tally for this honor. Thank you, one and all.
Many, many congratulations to Mr. Shah and his entire team at AB Agencies. From the land of Thrissurpuram, this MSME has been the top FMCG dealer for the famous Gold Winner sunflower oil in Kerala, along with other household brands. Having grown 1 lakh times in the last 26 years, they continue to grow from strength to strength. Let's put our hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Manduppal Enterprises. And here's a short audio message from Mr. Bagis.
നമസ്കാരം, എൻ്റെ പേര് ജോയം വർഗീസ്. മണ്ടുമ്പാൽ എൻ്റർപ്രൈസസ് എന്ന സ്ഥാപനത്തിന് ബിസിനസ് വെറ്ററൻസ് അവാർഡ് നൽകിയതിന് ടാലി കമ്പനിയോടും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ ഇൻഫോടെക് സൊല്യൂഷൻ്റെ തിലകൻ സാറിനോടും പ്രത്യേകം നന്ദി രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുന്നു. ഇനിയും ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള അവാർഡുകൾ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ബിസിനസ്സിൻ്റെ ഉന്നതിയിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവരാൻ പ്രചോദനമാകുന്നു. എല്ലാവർക്കും മണ്ടുമ്പാൽ എൻ്റർപ്രൈസസിൻ്റെ നന്ദി.
Thank you, Mr. Varghese, and many, many congratulations to you and the entire team at Manduppal Enterprises. And that brings us to the end of the Business Veteran segment. Moving on to our next segment, the Digital Transformer Recognitions. Digital has been the buzzword amongst businesses for the last few years. However, it has been a luxury that mostly has been adopted by large organizations. Small businesses have been challenged by the absence of reliable sources on know-how of digital technologies and support to implement them. Yet, some amongst this group, by the sheer penchant of learning new ways to grow their business, have not only shown a sense of appreciation for digital tools and technologies, but have also successfully adopted them into various areas of their business to drive efficiency and run their business better. The Digital Transformer Honors recognizes such enterprises. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look at the MSMEs we are recognizing under this category this year. Hailing from Chennai, this MSME started out as a content delivery platform, but soon harnessed the power of digital to expand into digital learning, language learning, and online learning solutions for children, which increased the revenue by more than 10%. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Classel Knowledge Private Limited. And we have a small audio message from the owner.
Hello, I am Vaidi, founder and CEO of Classel. First of all, a big appreciation to Tally for this initiative. I would like to thank them for honoring Classel as a part of MSME Honors under Digital Transformers category. Also, a big thank you to NS Infotech for nominating us. Me, as well as my colleagues at Classel, would like to extend our heartfelt appreciation for this honor. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Vaidyanathan, and many congratulations to you and the entire team at Classel. Based out of Hyderabad, this MSME initially did not have any proper policy for documentation, with an inventory of over 2,000 items being maintained manually as well. But then they ramped up productivity by automating their processes and streamlining their communications with both their vendors and customers by adopting digital means. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for switchgear controls. And here's a small audio message from Mr. P.T. Karthik Vaidyanathan.
Hi, thank you so much for this wonderful award from Tally Solutions. This has actually been very motivating in these present times for us. I would especially like to thank our accountant, Mr. Agastya Raju, who has been a key person behind this entire transformation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, and many congratulations to you and your team. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we are at the end of the Digital Transformers category. Many congratulations to all those who have been recognized here today. Moving on to the next category, the Idea Icons. The last 18 months threw open a whole lot of challenges for businesses across the country. With severe restrictions, losing workforce to reverse migration, scarcity of resources, the struggle was real. The situation was further aggravated for small and medium enterprises, for whom it became a battle of survival. Under such circumstances, finding new ways to keep afloat became a way of life for many of them. The Idea Icon Honors recognizes those businesses who not only rode the wave of challenges through new ideas, but also managed to beat it. So let's have a look at the MSMEs we are recognizing under this category. Based out of Namma Bangalore, this MSME hit a roadblock when they saw poor reorder rates for their shower filters. But then along came an idea where they introduced a time-based dye, which turned red in 6 months, reminding the customer to go for a timely replacement, boosting the reorder rates by more than 10%. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for Aquagenics R&D India Private Limited. And here's an audio message from Mr. Sudeep Nadukandi.
I'm delighted and honored to be accepting this award on behalf of Water Science. What was just an idea a few years ago is now a thriving ecosystem of customer-centric innovation. Congratulations to the incredible team at Water Science. A big thank you to Tally for this acknowledgement.
Thank you so much, and many congratulations to you as well. Once again from Bangalore, we have an MSME which sought to solve the problems of our farmers who lose 30 to 70% of their crops each and every year to tobacco mosaic viral disease. Their innovative product, Vanpro's V-Bind Virucide, has been able to check the disease significantly, potentially saving 21 million metric tons of fruits and vegetables every year. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for Vanprox Agrovet LLC. And here's an audio bit from the founder, Mr. Prabodh Mishra.
Good morning. It is a huge honor for us to receive this award. Thank you, Team Tally, for recognizing Vanpro's and its innovation. I would also like to thank all the jury members, Honorable Minister Sir, and all the guests for this award. Last but not the least, I would like to thank Team Vempros for their support. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Many congratulations to you as well. I'm sure when all of you were children, you would have watched a lot of cartoons. And one of my favorite cartoons, and I'm sure yours was as well, was Tenali Raman. And of course, that man was known for the ideas that he had. From the land of the legendary Tenali Raman, this MSME was bogged down by manual errors in their pumps and motors manufacturing process. But then they had a brainwave to invest in automation machineries, which helped them cut down on errors, reduce their expenses, and increase their top line by more than 40%. Let's put our hands together for Lakshmi Ganapati Engineering Works. And here's an audio bit from the founder, Mr. K. Krishna Kumar.
Good morning to all. On the occasion of International MSME Day, on behalf of Kumar Pumps, we appreciate efforts of all MSMEs which are creating innovations, employment, and contributing a major economy to nation. These pandemic situations will teach us ways to sustain in market, also new sources of businesses and market. We feel happy that we are selected under category of Idea Icons by Tally Solutions. These achievements will make us feel more responsible and will set us new targets to reach. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Mr. Krishna Kumar, and congratulations to you as well. Hailing from Coimbatore, this MSME came up with a bright idea to combat COVID by making phase gears powered by air purifying respirators, which are especially useful for frontline warriors like doctors, surgeons, and dentists who need to be close and near to their patients. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for Fisher Pumps Private Limited. Let's hear it from Mr. Parthiban Ramaswamy.
Dear friends, I am Parthiban Ramaswamy, Managing Director of Fisher Pumps Private Limited, Coimbatore. I thank the judges of Tally for choosing us for the MSME Honors 2021 Idea Icon Award. When COVID-1 struck, we as an engineering company wanted to play our part to try to find what we can do to stop this virus. So we developed two new products. One product for use by doctors, which is an air respirator. They wear a mask and they wear a hip turbo unit, which will provide them pure air free of virus bacteria. Second, we developed a product called air sterilizer, which sterilizes the air in a closed room to protect the occupants inside a room. So both these products really help to save the lives of doctors during this pandemic. So these products are indigenously designed, developed, and we have also applied for the patent. I once again thank the jury of Tally for selecting us for this award. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Parthiban, and many congratulations to your team as well. Based out of Hyderabad, this MSME took on the challenge of hard water head-on and developed a high-grade, chemical-less, instant water softener, making Swachh Pani, that's pure water for you, available to many. Let's hear it for Parashakti Power Technologies Private Limited. And here's an audio bite from Mr. Jagan Mohan Rao.
It gives me immense pleasure and expresses my deep sense of gratitude having bestowed with such a prestigious award, Idea Icon.
Thank you so much, Mr. Jagan, and many congratulations to you and your team. And that brings us to an end to the Idea Icon category of the MSME Honors. Moving on to the next category, social patrons. Some superheroes do not wear capes. They silently serve beings around them when they are at their most vulnerable. Small businesses have always been known to help local communities when they need it the most. The last year saw unprecedented situations resulting in people from all walks of life getting severely impacted. The Social Patron Honors recognizes those entrepreneurs who went above and beyond to help people in need, brought in changes into their business practices to support society, and made umpteen sacrifices while they themselves faced scarcity of resources. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, let us have a look at the MSMEs we are recognizing under this category this year. This MSME from Bangalore did a stupendous job of supporting close to 50 Punja weaving and Gond art artisans when the pandemic was at its peak, distributing laptops, Siddhi medicines, pulse oximeters, and timely advice to tackle COVID, leading to a stable life for them and their dependents. Let's hear it, ladies and gentlemen, for the Forum for Rural Weavers. And here's an audio bite from Mr. Vivek Srivastava.
Thanks, Tally, for wanting to recognize small businesses in the country. It's a great honor for Forum for Rural Weavers to be selected in the Social Patron category. Many thanks again.
Thank you so much, Mr. Vivek, and many, many congratulations to you and your team. A bootstrapped, women-led social enterprise, this MSME from Hyderabad has generated livelihoods for over 50 women, 10 weavers, 20 artisans, 10 folk artists, and 10 artisans with disabilities across the country through their Grameen to Gifting program. In the tough times of pandemic, they have sustained their goodness efforts by selling more than 3,000 handmade masks. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Misaki. And it's time to hear a message from Ms. Bhavya.
Hello everyone, I'm Bhavya, Sutradhar and founder of Misaki, a social enterprise. It gives me immense pleasure to receive this award under the category of Social Patron on International MSME Day 2021. This was a complete surprise and an honor to receive this prestigious award. I would like to express my deep gratitude to Tally Solutions and MSME South Zone for this esteemed recognition on this wonderful platform. Thank you one and all.
Thank you so much, Ms. Bhavya, and many, many congratulations to you and your team as well. Based out of Bangalore, this MSME took it upon itself to not only produce masks with biodegradable cotton fabric, but also distribute it free of cost to frontline workers, scouts, guides, police on duty. Not to forget the innumerable tailors whom they supported with this initiative. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put your hands together for Blue Stripes Apparel. Many, many congratulations, Mr. Nagarajan. And here is a small audio bite from him as well.
Good evening, MSME International Day function on behalf of TallySoft. This is Thiru from Blue Stripes Apparels, Tirupur, and we are exporter and manufacturing of masks and garments. Last pandemic we did for the mask biodegradable product, which is Save the Earth. Our mask is antibacterial, antiviral, anti-odor. All the finishes has been done. It's a natural product. And our mask is social service. We had given over 10,000 frontline workers for free of cost. This is my ambition to save the earth. Our factory is eco-friendly and sustainable product. We are exporting it. Once again, we want thanks to on behalf of Blue Stripes team and support of MSME honors, and we will appreciate for our selection. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Nagarajan, and many, many congratulations to you and your team. And with that, we come to the end of of this particular segment. Moving on to the last segment under these MSME Honors South Zone edition, which is the Wonder Woman segment. Women entrepreneurs are changing the business landscape like never before. Their ideas, purpose, passion, and more importantly, their focus on building sustainable businesses is having a positive impact on the extended ecosystem and the economy. Not just that, these entrepreneurs are inspiring an entire generation of women to not only join the entrepreneurship bandwagon, but also become successful at it. The Wonder Woman Honors recognizes those businesses which are headed by women who have braved the odds to build successful businesses themselves and are role models in the business community. So let's have a look at the MSMEs we are recognizing under this category today. This MSME from Bangalore is headed by a Wonder Woman who is a first generation woman entrepreneur. From the kitchen platform to the micro industry model, she has manifested her efforts to create natural cosmetics, skincare, hair care products, keeping all her customers and their feedback close to her heart. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Cosmytic. Also, let's hear it from Ms. Geeta Chiniwalar.
Hello, everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank Team Tally for having recognized me for MSME Honors 2021 under the category Wonder Woman in MSMEs. It's a great pleasure for receiving this honor in the event of International MSME Day.
Thank you so much.
Where there is passion and inspiration, there is innovation. Myself, Geeta Chiniwalar, the founder and the director of Cosmytic, and my brand name is called Cosmyra. We are into manufacturing of mood enhancing technology, personal care products in the segment of skincare and hair care. Brand Cosmyra is positioned as a quality brand and it occupies a unique market position for its uncompromised quality and pricing. Once again, I would like to thank the whole Tally team for honoring me.
Thank you so much, Ms. Geeta. Apologies for interrupting your audio. I believe we had an audio issue at our end, but many, many congratulations to you and the entire team at Cosmytic. Once again from Bangalore, we have an MSME headed by a Wonder Woman who dares to fly high. After all, she and her company are the approved manufacturers of temperature sensors for LCS aircrafts developed at HAL. Many of you staying at Bangalore in these times of pandemic would have occasionally heard these aircrafts zooming over your head at times. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Heatcon Sensors Private Limited. Many, many congratulations to Ms. Reshma Jayan and the team at Heatcon. Our next MSME belongs to Nammakovai, Coimbatore, and is headed by a dynamic duo of Wonder Women who are passionate about floriculture, horticulture, and agriculture, but with natural methods to enhance produce from the same. Quality, consistency, and most importantly, the viability of this entire effort is what has allowed them to cater to the varied needs of their customers with Elan. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Sanvi Agricultural Products Private Limited. Many, many congratulations to Mrs. Parameshwari S and Mrs. Anandi S and to the team at Sanvi as well. Next up, we have a Chennai-based MSME, which is headed by a Wonder Woman who has single-handedly propelled its growth from scratch, providing direct and indirect employment to hundreds of women. This MSME runs with the prime intention of reviving the traditional way of doll making and has imparted the training to more than 300 underprivileged women and homemakers. Please put your hands together for Shri Kolhapuri the Doll Factory. And we have a message here from Ms. Nisha Shrikant.
Hi, this is Nisha Shrikant, founder, director, and CEO of Sri Kolhapuri, the Doll Factory. I feel honored to receive such a recognition under the category Wonder Woman. I thank the jury and the MSME team, Tally, and the Tally team for selecting me for this award.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Nisha Shrikant and your entire team at Sri Kolhapuri. Based out of Hubli, this MSME embodies the concept of women empowerment. The Wonder Woman who heads this business started making her trademark product, Hubli Garam Masala, and expanded its reach in and around Hubli city with the help of her family members. She has become a role model for other women in the business community who want to earn while taking care of the family at home. So let's put our hands together for Satyajyoti Home Products. And we have here a message from Mrs. Jyoti Satish as well. Let's hear that.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ಸತ್ಯಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಹೋಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಪರೇಟರ್ ಆದ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಸತೀಶ್ ಇಚ್ಚಂಗಿ. MSME ಡೇ ವತಿಯಿಂದ MSME ಅವರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕೂಡ MSME ಅಂಡರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರ ಸಹಾಯ ಮೇರೆಗೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಂಭಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಉನ್ನತಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿಯನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ MSME ಅವರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಈ ಅವಾರ್ಡನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Jyoti Satish, for sharing that message with us, and many, many congratulations to you and your team. Based out of Salem, this MSME is in the business of making reusable cloth-based sanitary napkins. The hard work and vision of the Wonder Woman heading this MSME has not only helped 9,000 women across the country switch to comfortable menstruation, but has also helped it to grow twofold as a brand in spite of being fairly new in the market. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for Idam Creations Private Limited. Many, many congratulations to Mrs. Malini and the entire team at Idam. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the end of the South India edition of the inaugural MSME Honors by Tally. My earnest and heartfelt congratulations to all the winners. But before we come to an official close of this ceremony, it would be a crime not to thank the few people without whom this particular day would not have been possible. First and foremost, I would like to convey my heartfelt thanks to Shri Pankaj Kumar Pandey, IAS, Principal Secretary, MSME Mines and Textile, for spending time with us today. Mr. Perikal M. Sundar, President FKCCI, CA Dr. I.S. Prasad, Senior Vice President FKCCI, Mr. B.V. Gopal Reddy, Vice President FKCCI, Mr. Bhuvan Ranjan, Zonal Head South at Tally Solutions. Of course, we would like to thank all the MSMEs who have nominated themselves for these honors and inspired us with their stories. And of course, saluting all the MSMEs out there who are going ahead and doing what they do best across the length and breadth of the country. But last but not the least, I would also like to thank each and every one of you for having taken out the time today to attend this ceremony and grace us with your presence. Have a great, great day ahead. God bless. Take care. Stay safe.